The recurrence relation describing a sequence is given by u subscript n equals to 2 into bracket 1 plus u subscript n plus 1, close the bracket, where u3 equals to 10. Calculate u1, u2, and u4. Solution. Now, given un equals to 2 into bracket 1 plus u subscript n plus 1, then what's the next thing to do? And we are given u3 to be equals to 10. Now, in this case, for us to find u1, u2, and u4, now in this case, we can use u3 to get our u2 directly. Because from here, when we put the value of n equals to 2 from here, this returns to u3. If I put the value of n equals to 2 from here, I will have u3. And this side returns to what? u2. So that's it. So we can get our u2 here. So in this case, let's substitute. When n equals to 2, what will be the effect of n equals to 2 on the recurrence relation? So it means that we have u2 to be equals to what? 2 into 1 plus, anywhere we see n here, we put 2. 2 plus 1, we have 3. So this is going to be u3. Now, we have the value of u3 to be equals to 10. Then we have 2 into what? 1 plus 10. And this will give us what? 1 plus 10, that is what? 11. Now, 2 times 11 will give us 22. That's the value of u2. Now, we need to get u1 now. We can now use u2 to get u1. You know we used u3 to get u2. Now we can use u2 to get u1. And for us to use u2 to get u1, we say when n equals to 1. When n equals to 1. If n equals to 1, we get a formula for u1 from here. So it means that u1 will be equals to what? u1 will be equals to, from the recurrence relation, anywhere we see n, we put 1. So we have 2 into bracket 1 plus u, 1 plus 1, that is u2. So from here, we are going to simplify further. So in this case, we have u1 equals to what? 2 into bracket 1 plus u2. What is u2 from here? u2 is 22, so we substitute. So this will give us 2 into bracket 1 plus 22, that will give us 23. So 2 times 23, that will give us what? 46. That is for u1. Now we know the value of u1 and u2. We need to get the value for u4. How do we calculate u4? Now, for us to calculate u4, now, it means that we need to create a relationship between u3 and u4 because u3 is none. We're going to create a relationship between u3 and u4. And for us to create a relationship between u3 and u4, we can say when n equals to 3. When n equals to 3. Now, from the recurrence relation, it means that here is going to be what? Anywhere we see n, we put 3. So u3 will be equals to, then we have 2 into bracket what? 1 plus, anywhere we see n here, we put 3. 3 plus 1, that will be 4. So this is going to be u4. Then this equals to what? We want to look for u4, don't forget. Now, what's the value of u3? u3 equals to 10, don't forget. So we substitute 10 here. Then we have 2 into bracket 1 plus u4. So from here, we can reduce this equation by dividing both sides by 2. Now, dividing both sides by 2, what are we going to have? 2 into bracket 1 plus u4. Then we divide both sides by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. Now, and 10 divided by 2, what are we going to have? We are going to have 5. So it means that 5 equals to 1 plus u4. So making u4 the subject, it means that 5 minus 1, when we go to the left-hand side, then equals to u4. Then it means that u4 equals to what? 5 minus 1, that is what? u4 equals to 4. So we have the values for u1, u2, and u4. We cannot conclude. Now, u1 equals to what? If you conclude u1 equals to, the value of u1 equals to 46, and the value of u2 equals to, the value of u2 equals to 22, and u4 equals to, and the value of u4 equals to 4. So that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.